Hello friends, this is Narendar Reddy Kandimalla. I have been working as staff tutor at DIT Nalgonda. I am also working as ICT faculty at DIT Nalgonda. Today we are going to discuss about OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a screen recorder. Now in the COVID-19 pandemic period, most of the teachers are making video lessons and sending it to their students in order to reach the students who are staying at remote places. So, but the most of the videos they have produced are with low quality, as they are recording with the help of their mobiles, or some of them are recording with their laptop cameras, etc. But here the problem is we can't include our screen. For example, if you want to share a PPT, PowerPoint presentation, if you want to show something in a browser, we can't show all those things to our children. But here, if we want to share the screen, complete screen, we can easily share the things, and this is how OBS Studio is very useful for us. Now let me show you the OBS Studio. See here, this is the interface of this OBS Studio. So before going to discuss about OBS Studio, now let me show you how to download it. So I'll show you the browser. So if we type in the browser search box as OBS Studio, automatically the browser search for us and it shows the website like this. If we click on this website, the website will be opened like this. Here we could see three options. First one is Windows, the second one is Mac OS, the third one is Linux. Windows, I think you know very well, most of the systems that is operating system is with Windows, and Apple, for Apple products you can see this kind of operating system, Mac OS, and Linux, the another operating system. So if you want to click and download the Windows version, simply go for that and click on this. So the software which is downloaded, it can support Windows 8 version, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Even there is a small difference in the softwares. For example, if your system is with the 64-bit configuration, then you need to download 64-bit software, and if your software is 32-bit, and you need to download a 32-bit software for that. So if you click on this, automatically it will be downloaded into your system, and after that you need to install it to your system. Now if we install, the desktop icon will be like this. If you click on this, automatically the interface will be like this. So here immediately we can't see all these things on the screen whenever we open the interface after installing. So as I am recording with the help of this OBS Studio, already have made some changes to scenes and sources, other things. So now you could see all these things, but the empty screen will be seen here. So I'll show you one after the other applications, what you need to change and how to set the settings, other things. Now see here on the top of the screen, you can see so many options here. The first one is File, the second one is Edit, View, Profile, Scene, Collection, Tools, Help, etc. But all these options are not useful for our screen recording. Below the screen there are 4 parts or 4 boxes here. The first box is scene box. See here, already there are some scenes. So and the second one is source box, third one is audio mix, and fourth one is scene transitions. If you want to add scenes, see here the box which is in the left side, bottom box, the scene box, already there are 3 scenes. So generally the box will be empty, Google Apps will be there, the scene 2 we need to add this. So I have added 2 scenes, scene 2 and scene 3. If you want to add a scene, just click on this plus. If you click on plus symbol, the scene will be added. Already there are 3 scenes. See here, you could see the 4th scene, scene 4. So if you click on OK, automatically the scene will be added to the scene box. But I don't want to click here. I don't want to add the scene to this box right now. As this is a recording right now, if I add the scene, the recording will be stopped. That's why I don't want to show you all these things. I don't want to add these things. You can add whenever you try for that. Now the second box is the source box. This is the most important thing. Means we are connecting our laptop or system parts to this software. We are connecting our camera to this software. We are connecting the display capturing device to this system, this software. And even we are connecting the audio system also. Let me show you how to add the source. Here, just like scene box, you can also see some plus and minus here in the source box. If you click on plus, we can add all these sources to our source box. We want only 3 sources in order to have screen recording. That is, we need to display the we need to capture the display, we need to capture the video. See here, my video is on the top right corner, and we need to capture the audio also. As I am speaking right now, it is recording my audio. So the system has to record 3 things. It has to capture the screen, it has to record my video, it has to record my audio. So all these sources I am going to add. First, see here, I am adding audio input capture. See here, if I click this, default audio capture is going to be added to this screen. So if I add this, automatically my audio will be lost. That's why I don't want to add this. So once again I am cancelling this. So this is the procedure how to add the source to your, already it has been added. Let me delete it. Okay, right, now I have deleted it. So then once again there are 3 sources here. Now the second one is, after we have already added audio input capture, the second one is display capture. Because the screen, see here, immediately when I clicked here, you could see the red box. So see here, for that you need to click plus and see here display capture. If you click on this display capture, automatically it will be shown on the screen. See here, I am showing some red border, you could see the see on the screen. So this is the display capture device. So you can drag like this, you can change like this. So you can set the display screen to a corner, to left corner, to right corner, to bottom corner, left and right, or in the center. You can place it even in the center. So my suggestion is, as we want our full screen, we need to set this on the full screen. You just select on corner and you have to drag like this and place it exactly on the screen. This is all about display capture. If you go to video capture device, this is video capture device. If I click on that, immediately see here you could see the video box. You can place it anywhere of the screen. While the screen is recording, you need to be displayed on the screen. Our video need to be displayed on the screen. That's why we are adding the source of video recording also. See here, I am setting this to the screen. So you can place it anywhere on the screen, at the top left corner, top right corner, bottom right, bottom right or bottom left. My suggestion is you have to place it below, leave some space and keep it here on the right hand side top corner, so that other keys may not be disturbed. We can operate other keys easily. And so this is how the display is going to be while recording. So see here, we have added 3 sources: first audio, after that display, after that video. In this way we need to add sources. Okay, this is the second step. And third step is, and let us go to the third box. See here, this is the third box. So as we have added audio input, see here you could see some colored waves blinking, audio waves blinking. So when I stop speaking, the wave also stop. See here, yeah, when I am speaking, see the wave is moving, means it is blinking. So our audio is working. It means our audio is working in good condition. Now let us go to the last box, that is scene transition box. Here if you want to fade your scene, all these settings, all these advanced settings you can make use. But as you are a beginner, you don't want, my suggestion is not to go for this. So there are some other controls here. You could have start streaming button here. If you want to start the recording, you click here. As now the recording is going on, see here it is displaying as stop recording. Already it is started recording. So now it is showing stop recording. If I stop this, once again you can see start recording. After that, studio mode, settings, exit, all these buttons are there. The most important thing is you need to go for settings. See here, if I click here, you can see this. So some settings are here. General settings, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, advanced, etc. So almost all the keys, almost all the settings are default settings. So we need not change all these things. So if we change all these things, the settings may be disturbed and we don't get the quality video out of it. That's why I suggest you not to disturb all the settings, but few settings we need to change. The first one is, see here, let us go one after the other. General settings, almost all the settings are default, don't bother about this. Streaming settings, the Twitch, this is the default setting. So here also we don't want to, we don't need to change this. Output, the third one is output. The output settings, one setting we need to change here, that is recording format output. The output of the recording, video recording, should be in the MP4 format, video format. So generally the default setting is MKV. Please remember MKV. But here if we get MKV video, again we need to change that into MP4. So it may be a hectic task for us. That's why as I suggest you just click on this menu bar. If you click on this menu bar, you could see all the video formats. Out of that you select MP4 and clicks on MP4 and select that. This is the thing we need to remember. So MKV is a default setting, we need to change it into MP4. After that, go to audio setting, video setting, all these settings are default settings. See here, you can't see the settings clearly highlighted because the recording is going on. While the recording is going on, we can't change the settings here. That's why it is showing like that. But once you open, you can change it freely. Now the final thing is hotkeys. Here hotkeys means we are setting a key on the keyboard, means it's a shortcut. We need not go for start recording, stop recording on the interface. Directly if we press the shortcut key, automatically the recording starts. And if we set another key to stop recording, if we set that particular key, automatically the recording will be stopped. At the same time, pause recording also. For pause recording also we can set a key. Here I set key number 1 means number 1. Number pad is also here. 1 to 9 keys will be there on your keypad. So if I want to start recording automatically, if I press 1, automatically the recording will start. If I press 2, recording stops. If I press 3, the recording pauses. This is how we need to set the key. Instead of numbers, you can even set letters also. We can set letter A to start this recording, letter Z to stop the recording, letter P for pause recording. Whatever the letter you can. Even you can set some symbols also. Some symbols are there, no? Here @ slash, percentage, dollar, and @ So in this way you can set even the symbols also. in this way we can set the. So I'll show you the use of this. At certain areas we need to have this particular key. So let me show that afterwards. So for all these 3 keys we need to set the keys. So after that click the apply button on the window at the bottom of the window. After that click OK. Now our software, OBS Studio software, is ready to record the screen. Now we have to minimize this. See here I am minimizing. So I have minimized the screen. Now press 1. Press 1 on the keyboard. If you press 1 on the keyboard, because I have set start recording key number 1. So if I set click the 1 number, automatically the recording will start. So now the recording is going on. Now I want to show you a PPT. This is the PPT, PowerPoint presentation. So while presenting the presentation, I can speak. The sound produced means my audio will be recorded automatically. See here the sources we have added, 3 sources. The first one is audio source. It is recording, the audio device is recording my voice. The second one is the screen display. So it is what is capturing my screen. The next one is video. So my laptop camera is capturing my video. It is being adjusted in a corner of the screen. So you could see all these 3 things: voice recording, video recording, screen recording. This is how the software works. Now after completion of recording your video, simply you go to the shortcut key, that is to stop recording, click 2. Automatically the record will be stopped. So now the recording has been stopped. Now let us go to the source of that recording. So immediately the file is recorded in videos folder. If you click on video folder, you could see the recorded video. So this is this blue screen, this is the recorded video, and this one is another recorded. All these are recorded videos. So all the recorded videos will be automatically saved here after stopping the recording. So here now we can, if we want to edit this video, we can edit this and we can post it to the students, to our students. If the length of the video is long, you cannot send it to WhatsApp. In that situation, you need to upload it to your drive, Google Drive, or upload it to YouTube, and you can send the link to your student and he can learn something from your video. This is how the OBS Studio works. See here, once again I would like to revise the things, and I want to remind the things also. So there are 4 boxes below the screen. The first one is scene box. First you need to add the scene. After that you need to add sources. First source, audio input capture. Second source, display capture. Third source, video capture device. So audio source, you need not adjust this, automatically it will do it, it will perform its function. The second one is display capture. Whenever the display capture is added, you can see the red bordered screen like this, so you can add, you can adjust to the screen. My suggestion is go to full screen. Finally, video capture device, you can see this video capture device. So wherever you need, you can adjust your video at any corner, so that it may not be a disturbance for the screen which we are going to present. The third one is the audio mixer. This is it shows the audio waves, sound waves, so nothing important about this. And the third finally one is scene transition box. Here we could see the setting box. If we click on setting, we can see many settings here. Only settings we need to change our output setting, that is output recording format should be in MP4. Generally the default setting is MKV. We need to change MKV into MP4. So this is the thing, and all the other settings are default settings. We need not disturb those things. Final is hotkeys. We need to set hotkey to start recording, to stop recording, and pause recording. I set 1, 2, 3 for all these three successively. And now if you you can apply and click on OK. Now the screen is ready to record the screen. This is how OBS Studio works. Finally, don't forget that OBS Studio is the best screen recording software which is available in the market, and the great thing is it is an open resource. So as we need open resources, we need to go for open resources, we need to encourage open resources, we need to use open resources. So as they are free, and there are, one more thing is all the open resources, almost all the open resources are virus free resources. So there won't be any virus attack to our device. So that's why I prefer, and I also suggest you to go with this and have a better luck. Try a video recording and send it to your students. Thank you everyone, and during this COVID-19 period, please stay inside, indoors. Please be safe and be healthy. Thank you everyone. Thank you. If you like my video, don't forget to like my video, share my video. I request everyone to subscribe my video. Thank you everyone. Hello viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and do subscribe it.